Your members should not be waiting for your every answer. If you run a membership, here is a question worth asking. How much of your time is spent answering the same type of question again and again? Not because your members are doing anything wrong, but because implementation creates questions. People get stuck. They need clarification. They need examples. They need help applying what you teach to their own situation. And if every answer has to come directly from you, your membership can quickly become difficult to scale. That is where AI becomes really interesting. Not as a replacement for you, but as a support layer inside your membership. Imagine being able to train your content in AI, your frameworks, your language, and your way of thinking. So it can help members get faster support, get direction and more confidence between live calls or community replies. That is exactly what Gemma will be going deeper on inside the Future of AI for Course Creators Summit 2026. Her session is about using AI to teach and implement inside your membership. If you want to save time, support members better and improve results without losing the human side, click below to save your space. Because retention in a membership is not just about having more content. In fact, more content can sometimes make things worse. People do not stay because they have access to libraries of lessons. They stay because they are getting results. They stay because they feel supported. They stay because they know what to do next. They stay because they make progress without feeling overwhelmed or, of course, ignored. And that is one of the biggest challenges for membership owners and course and online businesses. How do you support people at scale? How do you answer questions without being online all day? How do you help members implement your material when everyone is at a slightly different stage? And of course, location. How do you make your membership feel more responsive without burning yourself out? This is where AI can be incredibly powerful. You can use AI to help members navigate your content. You can use it to answer common questions. You can use it to support implementation. You can use it to direct people to the right lessons, resources, or next steps. You can use it to help your members feel less stuck, but only if it is trained properly. Because generic AI is not enough. Your members do not just need random answers. They need answers based on your method, your content, your framework, and your standards. That is why this session with Gemma is so important. She will be showing how AI can be used to teach, support, and implement inside your memberships. So you can save hours per week, sometimes even days. The goal is not to remove the human experience. The goal is to improve it. Because when AI handles some of the repetitive support and guidance, you can spend more of your time on the high value human parts. Coaching, strategy, connection, community, feedback, leadership. And for membership owners, that can be a huge shift. It can improve results, it can improve retention, it can improve referrals, and it can make the business feel much more scalable and sustainable. So if you run a membership, a course community, a coaching program, or any kind of student experience, this is something you need to understand. AI is not just about marketing. It's not just about content creation. It can also transform delivery, implementation, and member support. Click now to get your place at the Future of AI for Course Creators Summit 2026. We are going deeper on this with Gemma and other experts throughout the day. If you want your membership to become smarter, more supportive and easier to scale, then this is for you.